This point in time, Times Now has accessed the possible line of questioning. The questions that this suspect who has been picked up and brought to Bandra police station in the Saif stabbing case is going to be confronted with. We are learning one of the key questions is going to be, why did he go to Saif Ali Khan's house? Did he recce the house earlier? Did the attacker know the maids? How did he manage to enter the house? Was it somebody from the house who helped him enter and then exit also without anybody noticing? For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Nilesh. Nilesh, over to you. Take us through the exclusive piece of information you've managed to access, the possible line of questioning, the questions that the suspect is today being confronted with.
Well, yes, as Arunil was rightly pointing out, that one individual has been brought to police station. Now, a police official mentioned that how the suspect, which was seen in the CCTV footage, somewhat resembles the individual which has been brought into police station. A line of questioning, as you have been pointing out, the primary question still remains for everyone, that how an individual was able to barge into a secure area like a house of Saif Ali Khan, a house of a superstar, and how did he manage to make it to the 11th floor and later on also into the room of Jahangir, that is son of Saif Ali Khan. So that remains the primary question, which is currently unanswered by any of the experts or official. Second question, since we have been mentioning that how police is suspecting that it is not a one-man's job, but an insider's job also could be a possible link. So that remains the second question. Was he alone when he was attacking Saif Ali Khan, or was there any other individual also involved into planning and plotting of the whole scenario? So these primary questions will be asked. And the third question is that what was the sole purpose of this trespassing? Was it only robbery, or was there other motive behind also? And since we have been mentioning that how, as per the complainant, he asked for a 1 crore rupee from the family members while he was attacking them. So what exactly was he trying to steal from the house is also being looked after by the police officials. So all of these questions currently are unanswered. The fourth and the final question that still remains a mystery is that even after attacking Saif Ali Khan, remaining there for nearly half an hour to more than an hour, how did he manage to escape from the society, from the building premises, without being captured into any of the CCTV cameras? So had he done any sort of recce of the scenario? Had he also been present even before this day? That is the day of attack. So all of these questions is currently being...
Well, those are some pertinent questions that you have, brought for our viewers. Because remember, viewers, he seemed to know the building quite well. And that's the reason why, while escaping, he used fire escape to enter and exit, perhaps, because he was not really noticed by the security guards as well. And, and he could exit also. Remember, viewers, at 2 o'clock, Saif Ali Khan, that's what the doctors have said, Saif Ali Khan at 2 o'clock was taken to the hospital. And this suspect was seen exiting the, through the fire escape at 2:33. So it seems that after Saif Ali Khan was taken to the hospital for about 30 minutes, this suspect was still in the building. Where was he hiding? I mean, those are some of the questions that still remain unanswered. Nilesh, request you to stay on with us. Let me now go across to my colleague Srishti as well, who's live with us from outside Saif Ali Khan's residence in Bandra. Srishti, over to you. Bring us up to speed with the investigation so far, as far as the other maid servants, the domestic help of Saif and Kareena are concerned.
Well, of course, the investigation is going on, and the Mumbai police has, detained a suspect in this entire matter, and probe is being initiated. Now, the questions will be asked to that particular person who is the suspect, and the probe will go further. I would like to show you the possible escape route of this accused attacker. We'll take you across directly to the visuals. This is the building of Saif Ali Khan where the attack happened. On the 11th and 12th floor, Saif Ali Khan and his family resides. And I would like to show you the visuals from the rear gate and the CCTV camera. As you rightly mentioned, that how did this attack attacker escaped anyone's eye when he was escaping from this particular location, from this building. The CCTV camera placed over here is at the parking area, which looks after the to and fro of the vehicles. And besides that, there are certain plants which are there, and just ahead of it, there is a security chowki present over here, and the guard is usually over here, and that's what we are showing you in the visuals. And there is a quite kind of distance which is from here, and that exactly shows that how he was possibly managed to
Srishti, I'm just interrupting you there. Please